Hi, everyone. I believe that I'm here for a reason today. GPS industry has changed. Look at the hardware. This is a professional GPS receiver. It was built by my team a few years ago. New receivers can basically do the same thing, but they're 20 times smaller, 20 times lighter, and 20 times cheaper. The industry has changed, but it's not the main reason why I'm here. Maybe I'm here because GPS users have changed. Traditionally, construction workers used precise positioning technologies, but now there are new markets applications emerging, like drones, outdoor robots for delivery, agriculture, and even autonomous lawn mowers. The users have changed, but it's not the main reason why I'm here. I'm here because despite all these new trends, GPS infrastructure on the ground remains the same. Let me explain here a little bit more. For centimeter-level positioning accuracy, you need satellites in the sky, a receiver like the one I showed you, and also access to correction services. This technology has been around for more than 10 years, but it was never designed to serve large fleets of autonomous devices. Look at this example in Spain. There are multiple correction services in this country, but if I would like my robots work all around Spain, I'll have to connect to each service separately, manually create hundreds of accounts for my robots, and then ask my engineers to work on compatibility. And then in the next country, I'll have to do this again. We saw that problem and created Stargate, a platform that aggregates and unifies all existing correction services. It solves all the problems I mentioned. We launched Stargate last year, and all the bright places you see on the map are the places where Stargate is available right now. And the market is promising. It will triple over the next 10 years from 20 to 60 billion euros. And also the importance of these correction services will grow over the time. It's driven by the new market applications. And this is what we are focusing on. And we got our first client, a company from Germany. They're using Stargate in Germany, Italy, Spain, and right now in the United States. There is competition, especially from big established companies, but they also not designed for fleets. They won't be able to compete on pricing because they have to run and maintain their own infrastructure. And there are also lots of compatibility issues. We would like to expand Stargate, work on the product. That's why we would like to fundraise. And we went to European Space Agency and applied for financing of 200,000 euros. And we have to match it with a private investment. So if you want to jump on this train with ESA, you're in the right place. I believe with Stargate, GPS infrastructure won't be the same. It's going to be truly accessible for robots, drones, autonomous machines. And if you want to build it with us, please come talk to me after the show. Thank you. I'm Simon, introducing Stargate.